Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is Configuration Compliance Scanners. So let's get started. In a world that is becoming more connected every day, where we constantly interact with various digital platforms, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. Within this framework, one key tool is the Configuration Compliance Scanner. In this article, we will delve into the essential features of this tool, how it works, and why it is a crucial element in the cybersecurity toolbox. Understanding configuration compliance scanners. Consider a configuration compliance scanner as a diligent inspector who ensures that everything in a system is as it should be. It is a specific type of network access control tool, which are devices or systems used to manage and enforce security policies on a network. In particular, a configuration compliance scanner examines system for approved updates, patches, and security settings. Picture yourself managing a large office building. Each room within the building represents a device on your network. As the building manager, you want to ensure that each room is secure, properly maintained, and meets certain standards. A configuration compliance scanner is like a security guard who goes from room to room checking that the locks on the doors are up to date, the windows are patched and secure, and that all the security measures are in place. Compliance scanning and security standards. A configuration compliance scanner doesn't just check for the updates and patches, it verifies that each device on the network complies with specific security and configuration standards. Standards can vary greatly depending on an organization's need and regulatory requirements. For example, a healthcare provider must adhere to the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, which includes specific requirements about how electronic patient health information should be secured. Meanwhile, a retail business that accepts credit cards must comply with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which outlines procedures for protecting cardholder data. When a configuration compliance scanner checks a system, it verifies that the system settings align with these standards. And if any non-compliance is found, the scanner alerts system administrator so they can rectify the issue and bring the system back into the compliance. The role of system administrators. A configuration compliance scanner is typically operated manually by system administrators. These are the individuals responsible for managing and maintaining an organization's computer system and network. They are like the building managers in our previous analogy. System administrators use configuration compliance scanner to keep track of device setting across the network. This is a critical task as improper settings can expose the network to potential security threats. For example, suppose a device on the network isn't configured to require password authentication for remote logins. In that case, a malicious actor could potentially gain access to that device without needing a password, giving them a foothold to launch further attacks on the network. A configuration compliance scanner would identify this incorrect configuration, alerting the system administrator to the problem so they can secure the device. The significance of regular scanning. In the digital realm, changes occur at a lightning fast pace. New vulnerabilities can be discovered overnight and updates and patches are frequently released to address these issues. As such, regular scanning for configuration compliance is critical to maintaining robust security. System administrator should run compliance scans at the regular intervals, perhaps weekly or even daily, depending on the organization's need and the sensitivity of the data involved. By doing this, they can ensure that all devices on the network are up to date and configured correctly, minimizing the risk of security breaches. In addition, system administrator should perform a compliance scan whenever significant changes are made to the network. For example, when a new device is added to the network, a scan should be performed to ensure that the device is properly secured and configured according to the organization's standard. Closing thoughts. In summary, a configuration compliance scanner is an essential tool for maintaining the security and integrity of a network. It performs a crucial role of identifying any non-compliance with security standards and configurations, enabling system administrators to promptly address these issues. In an era where cyber threats are constantly evolving and growing more sophisticated, it's critical to stay one step ahead. Regular use of a configuration compliance scanner coupled with a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy can help organizations protect their valuable data and systems from potential threats. Understanding and effectively using these tools is a vital part of any cybersecurity professional skill set. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.